JOYO oil container unboxing. This is a 1000 ml oil container by JOYO. There are also number markings on it which helps you to know how much oil is remaining. The MRP written on the label is ₹149. Let's remove the plastic. You can also calculate how much oil you have used, thanks to the markings given. If you want to buy this, the link is in the description. Mastercook vs JOYO oil leak testing video will come soon. Don't forget to subscribe and click bell icon. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.